Welcome to Kingdom Animal Facts. Today, we're diving into the world of one of the oldest and strongest reptiles on Earth, the crocodile. Crocodiles are large reptiles that live in rivers, lakes, and swamps. They have been around for millions of years, since the time of the dinosaurs. Crocodiles have powerful jaws with sharp teeth. They can bite down with tremendous force. Their bodies are covered with tough, scaly skin that protects them like armor. Crocodiles are ambush predators. They wait quietly in the water and then attack suddenly and swiftly when prey comes near. They eat fish, birds, and even large animals. Crocodiles have excellent eyesight, hearing, and sense of smell. They can see clearly even in the dark. A female crocodile lays eggs in a nest. When the babies hatch, the mother often carries them gently in her mouth to the water. Yes, crocodile mums care for their babies. Crocodiles live in Africa, Asia, Australia, and the Americas. They love warm places and are usually found near fresh water or salt water. Yes, crocodiles can be very dangerous. It's best to stay away from them in the wild, but they are also important for the environment and should be respected. The crocodile is a strong, smart, and ancient animal. If you enjoyed learning about crocodiles, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to Kingdom Animal Facts. Thanks for watching. See you next time with more animal wonders.